Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hello everyone, welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. In this show, you're gonna learn how to sculpt simple dog breeds with polymer clay. Polymer clay is a type of modeling medium that we bake in the oven. Today's episode is Dachshund. He's the animal rights activist of the Doggo Bake community.
Whoa, that is a cool robot!
This robot is made up of alloy, fiberglass, titanium, some copper, and its electrical current is coming from the electricity of the washing machine. So every time someone washes their clothes, the robot moves, and everyone washes their clothes here every day.
It's exquisite!
It took me 3 weeks to make this and almost burned the house down, but my robot was assisting me and my 3D printer malfunctioned. Oh, it was a mess, but I made it!
Huh? You talk too fast.
Okay, I'll try to slow down. The mechanical breakdown of this piece is
Okay, I'm leaving.
scary. Robots are sick.
I couldn't understand what she's saying at all. How can she talk so fast like that? Her robot is so cool, though.
Operation. The turn robot can be traced to the Zigward reporter.
Joan, can you sculpt me, right now? I gotta go home and sleep. I got exhausted listening to Pooch talk about her robot.
Whoa, what's the hurry? Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Pooch is such a hardworking dog. She's the one who created a lot of our electric cars and solar panels. It saves us a lot of electric energy in our community, which in turn lowers our electric bills every month. Okie dokie, let's show them how to sculpt a simple Dachshund dog breed. How's that?
Maybe this will wake me up.
Prepare your supplies. Polymer clay, brush and baby oil, any tool with rounded tip, and toothpicks. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake books, and the Dachshund tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake 2. fun. Dachshund dog breed. Majority of the clay that we use are color black and gold. The most important thing with sculpting a dachshund are the ears and the long body, of course, and the snout. That's it. Please remember to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn 60 dog breeds to create with polymer clay. Please subscribe to my channel, click that bell on the right side so you won't miss any future videos that I will put out there for you in the future. See you again next Friday for another dog.